Hey guys, this is Sundar. I'm the Managing Director at LeslievilleGeeks. I wanted to show you the best review we have received this week from Mohit. Really happy about this service that he received, I think was last night, from our technician Thomas. He wrote really good things about us. I said that he had to reschedule a few times. We were super flexible with rescheduling. Thomas showed up, was professional, respectful the entire time, kept his mask and gloves on the entire time, wiped everything down before he left. And then he says, Thomas measured twice, cut once. Thomas measured multiple times, and he rechecked the levels multiple times between each steps. He minimized any mess during drilling, cleaned up any minor mess that was left. Super professional, courteous. Recommend them anytime. This is a really nice review. Really appreciate this customer writing that review. I appreciate that very much. Go to our website now to see other reviews that we got this week. Let's see what we have here. Oh, okay, let's look at this. 2 hours ago, this is the same customer. This is Ben. 5 hours ago, he says, great company, I've used LeslievilleGeek multiple times and will use them again. Tyler Park, 8 hours ago. Karen McDonald, 2 days ago, she says, I couldn't be happier. Very satisfied. From first contact to the time of the installations, they were great, professional, courteous, and very knowledgeable. Would highly recommend them. Let's look at more reviews from Olin. 5 days ago, Thomas again, super organized, professional, polite, made the whole experience very smooth. Highly recommend. Tony Pontes, he writes, installer was supposed to install a very thin TV into concrete. LeslievilleGeek folks were confident, made an installation to our liking. Definitely recommend them. So these are the reviews that we have here. There's a couple of reviews out. The other one, this was last week, I think. You can just go through a bit. Yeah, I'm going to take you to our website here to see other reviews and some photos that are here, before after photos. These are the work that we did this week. These are a couple of jobs that we did this week. I'm going to go through some of them, not all of them. This is a TV mounting job. If you see the green tape, it's our signature process of having a height discussion with you. We have this with the end customer who wants that discussion. I highly recommend that you have this discussion with our installer to get that preferred height, that perfect height for your situation. Every situation is different depending on the size of the TV, the location of where the couch is, how big is the room, how high are the ceilings. Every time it differs, so get this discussion. It doesn't cost anything. It takes time, but we are ready to spend that time with you to make sure that your installation is perfect and it's something that you're going to like forever. It's not going to cost you a stiff neck whatsoever. This is another TV mounted with all the cables hidden. Another cable hidden. This TV is mounted on a fireplace on tiles. It's a close image of that. That's with molding to conceal the wires. that is a little molding because of the wires. This is probably a concrete wall. We mark those wall with green tape to know your height. Measure many times, cut once. That's a TV with power bridge going there, and then this is a curved TV. That's us marking, laying out where everything is going to go, and then I'll show you what happens. Over there we're going to put in a in-wall speakers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the completed work. Let's finish, and down here there's going to be a shelf to hide these wires. This is the articulating mount. It's mounted and the TV can move. Customer has exercise equipment beside the TV. Yeah, some photos there. This is the TV setup on a normal shelf. This is another TV install. The wires concealed in molding. That is, I think, a no gap TV wall mount, a frame TV to be installed on that wall. No, it's a normal mount. That TV is installed there. There's a TV with a soundbar underneath the TV. So all of our installations are captured so that we have very strict guidelines for quality control to make sure that consistently we're doing a good service for the customer. So our technicians will send everything to our central database, and we check them through, highlight them, and keep on improving. Keep on improving. That's a no gap wall mount, frame TV. This TV was on a fireplace and it needed to be moved up to accommodate the Sonos play bar. Anything to do with Sonos, we are professionals in it. We fix them, install them, wall mount them. And we don't use a wall mount for this. We saved you $70 because we got a technique to use the existing keyholes on them. Last TV for this week. So thank you again. Have a good weekend.